Hey guys, this is Zafa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about energy. Everything in this universe is energy. Your body is also a form of energy. So, how you use your body, how you use your energy plays a very important role. The highest form of energy on the earth is sun. Without sun, any damn organism on the earth cannot get energy. Right now I'm talking to you, so I am also vibrating at certain level of energy, and it might get affected to you. Let me give you a best example. When you are into some kind of hall or some seminar, a certain person enters, and what you will find that whole of the seminar room gets lighten up. Why? Because it contains a aura, a form of energy. We are all surrounded by aura. We all have aura in our side, and we are vibrating continuously certain frequencies. That's the reason I tell you always raise your frequency, raise your vibration. When you are at higher frequency, higher vibration, you attract more positivity, you attract more joy, you attract more abundance, you attract more prosperity. So everything in this universe is energy. This is well mentioned in 7 hermetic principles which governs the entire universe. Everything in this universe is energy. And energy, there is a law of energy. Energy cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed. It only can transform from one form to another. For example, when you are involved into any kind of physical activity, what you do? You are converting your energy into another form, a work form of energy. And in science also it is proved that work is equal to force into displacement, and it obeys this energy, law of conservation of energy. When you are born into a mother womb, it is also in the form of energy. When there is an intercourse, or where there is a sexual relation between a man and woman, they form an energy into a mother womb. They liberate energy, and 2 atoms and molecules combine and they form a womb and give a birth to a child, which is again in the form of energy. So they have converted each other. That's the reason I told the importance of semen retention, transmutation, that is converting your sexual energy into creative energy. How you can do that? You can do that by preserving your sexual energy into yourself. And when you preserve so much sexual energy, you become vibrant. Your brain becomes amazing, your mind becomes amazing. Because life force, we are life force energy. We are having that life force. When you are having that sexual energy into you, your face will be glowing, your hair will be good, you will look amazing as a human being, because we are made up of that element only. So preserve that energy, use your energy wisely. There are a lot of energy vampires you can find in social media, in any damn situation. They hamper your energy, they decrease your energy level, they put you down, they make you sad, they make you nervous, they make you jealous, they make you negative. They are called energy vampires. You might be experiencing these energy vampires on day-to-day basis. Let go of them. Let go of all the people that no longer serve you, whether it is a friend, family, any damn one, which is not helping you to raise your vibration to frequency. Let go of them immediately. It might be someone on social media, it might be someone who comes in contact with you every day and talks about negativity, talks about all those stuff that you cannot do this thing, it is not good, and all that rubbish thing, bad news and all that. So let go of that. They are energy vampires. Instead, preserve your energy and create something amazing, create something awesome. Be a producer, be your own co-creator. Use your energy wisely. When I am speaking to you, I am also utilizing my energy, right? and I'm using that energy into a good form. Let go of all the news and other stuff which are not longer serving you. Why? Because you are inputting your energy and time into it. Whatever you give you attention, it grows. Whatever you focus on grows. So if you are focusing on bad news, on coronavirus and other things, you are focusing on negative side, and you are wasting your energy and time. So preserve your energy. Use your energy into something good. Don't waste your precious energy chit-chatting, gossiping. Instead, read some book. Instead, talk someone. If you want to learn other language, communicate with them. For example, English, French, any damn language. Learn your skill. Improve yourself. Don't waste energy. So I have wasted 6 minutes of energy in this video. Right? We must be calculative. We must be calculative, just like we are calculative in expenses. Are you calculative in expenses? Are you noting down your incoming and outgoing expenses? If not, then start doing. It is the right time. Because in future you will face a tremendous problem, tremendous money problem. So it is better just to have your budget and to monitor your expense right now. So are you monitoring yourself? Where are you spending your energy and your time? Are you conscious? Are you aware? Or you are just doing all the stuff just like that, without being conscious, without being aware, without being mindful? So take charge of yourself. You are 100% responsible for everything that happens in your life. You are 100% responsible for everything that happens in your life. So do you take that charge? Do you take that responsibility? If not, then this is the time, guys. This is the time. Take it, utilize it, right? Live wisely, choose wisely, live well. Make a great choice. Everything is choice. You have made a choice to watch my video. You have made a choice to subscribe to my channel. You have made a choice to take time out and watch me. So I'm thankful, I'm grateful. Have an attitude of gratitude. Are you grateful for what you are having in your life? If not, then start doing gratitude. Gratitude is the most important thing. I already made a video regarding that. So right now I am not into that detail, but my main point is everything in this universe is energy. So choose wisely, live well. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.